Hey everybody, I am super excited to share my haul with you. So I have been kind of putting a few things here and there in my scrapbook.com cart, and I finally decided to make the purchase. I have been itching to get my hands on some of these things, and I'm excited to share with you guys because I saw some of these things at Creativation and I could not wait for them to come out. And yeah, I will have all of the things that I'm showing you listed down below. So I want to show you guys what I got, and I could not wait to get my hands on this collection from 49 Market. It is called Vintage Artistry, and the coral one really just is so beautiful. I saw these at Creativation. There is different colors. I'm pretty sure it's like basically the same prints, just different color schemes. So whatever color you want, they have. Then I want to get all of them, but you know how it goes. So they are a sponsor for my event that I'm holding for Scrapbooking Day, which is going to be May 1st, which will be a regular YouTube hop, maybe about 25 YouTubers that will share a pre-recorded video, and then May 2nd, of course, another live stream hop all about documenting memories and different ways that we can do that. All right, so I'm rambling a lot. All right, so this is the Coral Mini Collection. This is 12 by 12 paper, and I will be using this. I have something in mind, and I'm super excited to play around with this paper. Super gorgeous. And their cutouts, their laser cutouts, don't have any white around them. So you know, it's, I don't know how to explain it. They're just super pretty. And you get, you know, if you want a butterfly, you get the butterfly. You don't get the butterfly with, you know, a half of an inch or like a centimeter of white around it. You just get the image as if you were cutting it out yourself. So it's really cool. All right, then I saw these. These are, I don't know if these are new or if I just haven't seen them yet. These are mix and match die cut pieces. So let me pull them out actually so I could show you guys. So they're just a bunch of random things. And you know when you get some ephemera packs, or ephemera comes with the collections and you get like one and it's so hard to choose, so you get a ton of different things in here and you kind of layer them on top of each other like so. And you can sew through these if you have a sewing machine. You can do all sorts of different things, so you just kind of layer them on top, or you know, however you want them. You know, just kind of giving you an idea. So yeah, there is a ton of them. There is 52 pieces, 12 craft paper, 16 text weight, and 24 thick cardstock. So that is pretty cool. Now I have to put them all away. Don't want to lose them. And there's so many different combinations you can do with these to kind of layer things up and make that ephemera look cool, like almost like a junk journal look, I would say. And the packaging, oh my goodness, is so gorgeous as well. All right, let me put these back. All right, next I got the coral stitched frames, and these are stitched. They're not, it's not printed stitching, it's actual stitching. So they are individually stitched with real thread, which is super cool. I always love that look, but I'm too lazy to break out my sewing machine. I'm always afraid that I'm going to mess it up as well. So that is pretty cool. All right, so that is the 49 Market. Then I got a bunch of 49 Market flowers. Why? I have no idea. It's not like I needed any flowers, but I got some white I can always use white, but I love these ones. These flowers are my favorite. They're so, so pretty. So these ones are Country Blooms. And again, these will be listed down below so you guys can check them out. Then I got these to kind of match this collection. These are Ballet Slipper. Really, really pretty. Oops, sorry for the glare. Super, super gorgeous. And then I didn't realize that these were so pink, but that's okay. This Flamingo color, I think that's a different color. Yeah, this is Watermelon, pretty much the same, but I can kind of whitewash them a little bit and tone that pink down a little bit because the flowers are just super gorgeous. So, so pretty. All right. Then I got these, and these are a little bit distressed and aged on the edges there, if you guys can see that. Really, really pretty. These are Ballet Slipper, the color, that's the color. Yeah. All right, so that is the flowers. Then what's next? I got some Prima stuff. So I've been eyeing a couple molds, which is this one here. This is the Mariner's Voyage. It has the anchors and then the, I don't know what it's called. I know it has like a really technical name, and then like some rope. Really, really fun. You guys know that I absolutely love like everything sea and beach themed. So I definitely had to pick that one up. And you guys know I had to get the butterfly. So it has a ton of different butterflies, and then there's like these postage stamps, which is super cool. I can't wait to use this as well. So really, really pretty. All right, then I got another little mold. This one is from the surfboard collection. The surfboard collection really wasn't my colors or style, even though I love beach themed. But I definitely had to get this mold because of the little seashells in there. So you guys can see, super cute. Love, love, love that one. All right, then I got these because I use them all the time and I'm always running out. These are the Shabby Chic Treasures. And while I mostly use these, I have been using these too. I don't really use these ones though, but who knows, eventually I will maybe make a little town of critters or something. I don't know. I have so many of these ones. So there's that, and then the round frame. You guys know I absolutely love these frames. All right, next is going to be a stamp. So I absolutely love the Stamp Market brand. I love the quality of their stamps, and I just had to get this one. Why? I don't know. I definitely could have done a paint splat, but sometimes with card making, you just need something that is perfect, even though it's not perfect. An imperfect, perfect stamped image. And this would be kind of cool for like backgrounds for mixed media as well. So, and it's a good size. It's not really small or anything. So there's that one. And then I got some more of these quote chips. These ones are, what are they called? Theories. There is different sayings and words, quotes on there. Whoops. See if you guys can see that. So we got, with brave wings, she flies. Today is full of possibilities. Travel the world over to find the beautiful. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Just a ton of different great quotes and sayings for any type of project. Then I decided to get these. These are field notes. I love the little butterflies in there. I thought these would be fun. I have the little terrarium type of thing, and I thought maybe I could do something with the little butterflies, although they are a little tinier than I had thought, but that's okay. I will figure something out with those because I absolutely love butterflies. Then I wanted to get this, which I'm actually going to take out and look at it. Oh, there's two of them. Super cool. So when I was trying to explain these to somebody, I was trying to say it's like those little things when you're in the eye doctor and they're like 1 or 2, 1 or 2. So yeah, anyways, I'm going a little delusional over here, you guys. Kind of losing it. All right, I'm actually gonna put those back later. Then I was super excited to see this fabric journal. So back 5 years ago, maybe 3-4 years ago, I don't know how long it's been, but Canvas Corp, I don't even know if they're still around, but they used to have this amazing journal, and it was all canvas, and it was, I think it was like 6x6. It was sewn together, and I made a few of those into mini albums. So I was super excited to see this one. This one is smaller, but I cannot wait to use this. So excited. I cannot wait. I absolutely love working on this in these types of albums. Oh, that comes off. That's kind of cool too. All right, put this back. So I'm super excited about that. All right, next is this Scrapbook.com all-purpose craft scraper. I thought this would be perfect for molds. And just kind of scrape it on, and then it's nice and big. Sometimes when you're trying to get a larger area, having to use the silicone spatula is a little bit hard to get, you know, the whole area at once. So the scraper was definitely a good buy, and it's fairly cheap as well. It is a Scrapbook.com exclusive too, so that's pretty cool. All right, then I also got this Simon Hurley cling rubber background stamp. This is Jewel Heist. You guys, you are going to freak out when you see this. Okay, so you can use it, whoops, as is, or you can break it apart. What? Abby's not gonna say anything, but her jaw dropped when I showed her. How amazing is that? So you can use them separately or together. Just super cool. And there is a few different ones as well. This is just the one that I wanted to get at the moment. So I absolutely love this. I love that stamp. All right. Then I got a little bit boring things. I got another Versamark ink pad because mine is really dirty. Then I got Walnut Stain Distress Oxide and Tea Dye Distress Oxide ink. And then some more alcohol Yupo paper, even though I actually had some of this in my stash, but that's okay. I'm always using them to make backgrounds. And then as a freebie, while supplies last, you can get the Scrapbook and Card magazine. So yeah, and that's so cute. All right, that is it for my haul video. I am super excited to get playing. Be sure to check out the Scrap Your Heart Out event on May 1st and also on May 2nd. All right, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.